convenient cleaning. The Eufy Home app, and Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Worry-free cleaning. Set boundary strips and the slim 2.85 body upgraded to 1500 pascals suction only cleans the areas you want. Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, so you get the best clean in the shortest amount of time. A quiet clean vacuums for up to 100 minutes of constant, powerful suction that's no louder than a microwave. What you get: RoboVac 35C, 6.6 feet boundary strips, remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes,